You wouldn't choose the busiest line at the grocery store or the slowest way up the stairs or the narrowest path through the forest if you had a choice. For years, people traveling between the Huntington Metrorail station and Fort Belvoir have had limited choices other than plodding along the slow, narrow, and overcrowded Richmond Highway. But all that is going to change. Introducing the new Richmond Highway Corridor, a transformation that will bring better transportation choices to everybody. Because no matter how you choose to get around, we know that avoiding traffic is on the top of your list. Here's how it will work. Drivers will have more room for their cars. A new bus rapid transit system, or BRT, will give transit riders their own dedicated bus lanes, along with faster ways to board. Frequent service and smart ways to stay moving. And cyclists and pedestrians will be safely separated from traffic. With the new Richmond Highway Corridor, wherever you're going and however you choose to go, you'll love how easy it is to get there. See more and share your opinion now at fairfaxcounty.gov.